Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, of course. Hindi ito personal reading, but if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. And by the way, meron akong open na personal reading. Limited lang siya, guys. Like, depende lang kasi parang mga nasa 7 readings lang yung kayang gawain nun. Kung makakaabot ka, dahil sa TikTok shop yun guys, kung ilan lang yung bracelet na available doon sa, naka-promo siya, no? Crystal bracelet na may kasama siyang reading. Ikaw ang bahala mamili, astrological, tarot reading, yeah, anyway. Meron din naman na akong available na palm reading, but, check mo na lang yan sa TikTok shop. So, anyway, let's start your reading. What do we have here for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Main energy ni Earth sign, you do have here the King of Wands, okay, and the Three of Wands, okay. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like this is like time for you na kailangan gumawa ka ng action. If you want growth or gusto mo magkaroon ng like advancement or growth sa buhay mo, ito na yung time na kailangan gawain mo yon. Some of you, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago with regards to your health, no? Gusto mong maging mas maganda, mas maging maayos, time for you na to head to the gym na, you know, you do what you need to do, no? Some of you, kung may kinalaman sa business, career, nakakaamoy ako ng ano. Actually, hindi nakakaamoy. Parang nakaka-feel ako ng something nang umunguya, na something na malutong siya. This could be a reading. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Parang ano siya. Alam mo yung white bone or yung parang joints ng mga manok. And this could be a reading. I don't know if you're eating that. Or yung parang puti ng balot. Yan, this could be a reading. Anyway, so ayun, if there's something na gusto mong gawain or dapat mong gawain para magkaroon ng changes, kasi the Eight of Cups is like showing to you as the future, and now is the right time na gawain mo yon. Death card, whatever you need to end in your life, kung ano man, I can see a lot of ending na hindi mo ginusto, pero you have no choice but to end this. Diba? May mga bagay na nag-i-end, hindi mo ginusto, pero wala kang choice kundi i-end. Pero I feel like it is for the better. Kasi may higit na naghihintay na mas maganda para sa'yo. You know, for example, no, pagdating sa health mo, of course, may mga dapat ka talagang i-end. No? And may mga bagay din naman na talagang nag-i-end sa'yo dahil hindi mo naman na yun kailangan, tsaka hindi na yun makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? And let's move on to the side of the person that you are dealing with. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I also see people in your life na umaalis sila sa buhay mo or nawawala sa buhay mo because you no longer need them. The universe is telling you na tapos na yung gagampanan nila sa buhay mo. You have learned a lot. And these people in your life, dumating lang sila sa buhay mo, but it's not permanent. Na hindi sila yung permanent na tao para sa buhay mo. I don't know, but some of you, kasi hindi na yung universe. You know, hindi na ikaw, but rather the universe at saka yung spirit guides mo, angel guides mo, sila yung nakakakita ng mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita eh. Sila yung nakakakita, nakakaramdam. For example, no, sa career mo, if you do have a business, the King of Wands is a business, a trader, or someone na, you know, handling yung kanyang sariling, properties. I don't know, but example lang naman to. For example, sa negosyo mo, sa career mo. Pag wala ka dyan, of course, your spirit guides are there. Sila yung nandyan. Nakamasay, nakabantay. And then nakikita nila kung ano yung iniisip ng isang tao. Nakikita nila kung ano yung emosyon ng isang tao. At nakikita nila kung ano yung klaseng taong yon. And kahit gaano pa kayo ka-close nitong taong to, kahit gaano pa kayo kasaya pag magkakasama kayo, if nararamdaman or nakita ng spirit guides mo or ng angel guides mo na, ay, ayoko ito sa'yo dahil plastic to. Ayoko to sa'yo dahil, or hindi sa'yo dapat tong taong to kasi hindi ko gusto yung iniisip niya. Para siyang kontrabida, parang ganon, sa buhay mo, na hindi mo namamalayan kasi they are like secret enemies. Ganon. So, dahil doon, the spirit guides or angel guides, they will do their best na alisin yung mga taong hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. And you have to trust them. Kailangan mo magtiwala. Kailangan mo magtiwala. Okay. So, pagdating sa love, sino tong person na nakakonect mo? Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides, 10 of Wands, and the Justice card. Okay. I feel like this is a person in the past. Someone, I'm feeling a Libra energy. Especially nandito si Justice card, pero naramdaman ko rin talaga si energy ni Libra. So, I don't know if you do have Libra in your chart. Check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, energy mo. So, maybe meron kang Libra doon. Or, maybe this is your person that you're dealing with. 10 of Wands, nakikita natin ang ending sa inyong person to. So, maybe this is a person in the past. And might be nag-end yung sa inyo because of some kind of truth. No? Dahil nangyari or sinabi itong katotohanan na ito, nagkaroon ng ending. Or nalaman itong katotohanan na ito, so nagkaroon ng ending. The 9 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I can see a person na pwedeng, I can see money, so may pera. But the devil is here, so there's toxicity. Either yung person na ito mismo ang toxic or yung mga tao sa paligid niya. So there's toxicity dito sa energy ng person na ito. Kung hindi man siya mismo yung manipulator or nagmamanipula, ay, or narcissist, pwedeng yung mga tao sa paligid niya. I cannot tell. So, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa na itong person na itong spirit guides, angel guides, for earth signs, please. Ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Emotion ninyong dalawa ng person na to, spirit guides, angel. You do have here the Tower. 5 of Wands. Okay, so the way I see this is that pwedeng either nag-end na yung emotion mo para sa kanya at napalitan nyo ng galit, or yung iba, tinatry mo nang i-end. And yun nga, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. Pwedeng napapalitan ng inis, yamot, galit, ganun. And it is because the Knight of Cups, maybe part of you is mahal mo naman itong person na to. But with the Nine of Swords, ang daming problema. Okay? And, parang you see this as a nightmare. Some of you, bangungot. So, parang ayaw man ng ganun. So, ano yung emotion naman ng person na ito towards you, spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of earth sign? World is here, the Sun, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the Sun and World is 2 major arcana, by the way. Feeling niya, ikaw yung both the Sun and the World. Ano ba yung Sun and the World? The World is someone na nakakapagpakumpleto sa kanya. So, nararamdaman niya yun. And the Sun is someone na maaaring makakapagpasaya sa kanya. Ikaw yun. But, with the Page of Pentacles, hindi para sa lahat itong Page of Pentacles. Hindi para sa lahat. So, parang ang tingin niya sa'yo, ang liit ng tingin niya sa'yo. Mababa. So, hindi para sa lahat yan. Some of you, huwag mo tong kunin. Okay? Ang kunin mo lang is the Sun and the World. So, itong taong to, pwedeng, ang tingin sa'yo, ikaw nakakapagpasaya sa kanya, ikaw ang bumubuo sa kanya, etc. Pero yung iba, ang tingin sa'yo, ang baba mo. Okay? And or ang babaw mo, ganun. Seven of Swords, nakakita tayo ng pag-iwas dito sa person na to, but especially nga kasi kung may ending or may ibang tao na involved, yan. So, what will happen in the future para sa inyong dalawa for Earth sign? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? We do have the Page of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Page of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, please. Four of Pentacles is here. In the near future for you. Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Okay. Knight of Cups, the Magician, and the Two of Cups. Two of Cups, wow. The Moon. You know, the person of your dreams. Hindi ko alam kung kilala mo na yung soulmate mo eh. Hindi naman nakita dito yung message regarding doon. But I can see a soulmate coming in here to your life. Meron siyang offer. I can see with the Ace of Cups, this is a very beautiful offer. Nakita tayo na maaaring with the Page of Swords, nandun yung pag-aalangan, but with the Four of Pentacles, meron kang sapat na kakayahan, or I feel like with the Queen of Pentacles, there's like a go signal from the universe, from the world na sige, i-take mo si offer. Ganyan. So, I can see an offer. I can see someone here na magte-take ng risk. I don't know if that's you or your person or this person, but this is a soulmate connection. The Magician, itong person na ito, marami siyang skills, marami siyang talents. And, huwag mong tignan yung talents and your skills niya. Of course, yung strength niya could be your weaknesses, but yung weaknesses naman niya could be also your strength, no? Kaya, nakakita tayo dito na mag-work out yung connection na ito for you in the near future, lalo na with the Knight of Cups. Itong taong to, paparating ito sa'yo not only to offer you something beautiful, pero para kumpletuhin ang buhay mo. Kasi I feel like this person, magiging parte siya ng buhay mo with the Two of Cups. I can see a beautiful relationship, connection sa inyong dalawa, and this time around, this will be the best, or at least better relationship para sa'yo kumpara sa mga nakaraan mo. Yan, the Moon is here. This is a soulmate connection. King of Cups, yan, napakaganda, di ba? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading, nakuha ninyo yung messages para sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang, guys. If you want personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo makaranas ng personal reading or astrological reading, palm reading mula sa akin, mag-inquire ka na lang doon sa TikTok shop, okay? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.